Yeah, the browser and everything works. I see there's a little flickering on my screen, probably due to my camera, but on my screen it's very flat, so don't worry about that. So yeah, the internet looks like it works perfectly fine. We'll go back to the main area. YouTube is really what I wanted to get this thing for, so we'll kind of see. We'll play a random video here. Thank you. Whoops. We will play just a random ad by my local Ford dealership. Oh, that doesn't work. Here, oh, this seems to be a very popular thing going on right now.
Stop overpaying for sunglasses. It's crazy that the most expensive thing you're wearing is also the most fragile. Me?
Do you have a drinking
Okay, so YouTube works pretty good.
Objection calls for hearsay.
Was the number 3?
Objection, hearsay.
All right, so CarPlay works on this box without any issues. That took only a few seconds to connect. So we'll just go back to the main screen here. So CarPlay works. We've got Waze, Netflix. Let's try that out. And we'll go ahead and give this a test here. I think this is the other benefit of having this box. I think YouTube, the internet, and then Netflix, that would probably be the only